How did you get yourself all tangled up in here? She thinks she's human. Hey everybody, hope all is well. Today I will be unboxing something YSL. Saint Laurent. I finally got a Saint Laurent bag, Evil Twin. So if you like these types of videos where I unbox authentic to Evil Twin items like today, Evil Twin, I DIY, I compare bags to review on bags plus more, then please like and subscribe. And if you want to talk fashion style, then DM me on my Instagram at TCP_luxury. Let's start. What did I buy? I keep on buying, don't I? Don't get it twisted, folks. I do sell my items, so I'm on Poshmark, only authentic stuff. Evil Twin stuff you can't really sell, so I either just gift them or try to sell them to friends or whatever. But anyway, here she is. Nice looking box, so let's open her up. Here she is. So here's the box. Looks good, but obviously it's broken. I don't really care about boxes anyway. I used to, but starting, I only care about the authentic boxes. Here's the dust bag. This bag is really great with cotton lining. And I'm so excited because this is looking already beautiful. So I tried to purchase this one authentic, but it's sold out everywhere. And I typically like to go to Nordstrom's to purchase mine, but oh well. Here she is, folks. It is the Suede Saint Laurent Niki bag, and it's a really good size. It's not too big, it's not too small. Look at that insignia, and this is Paris Saint Laurent. Looks really good. It's nice and squishy. It smells like leather. Inside is a leather moment. And look at that detail, folks. My goodness. So inside, it's like, I don't know, rayon? I'm not sure what kind of fabric this is. You can see. It also has Saint Laurent inside the rivets. And there's the insignia. There's Saint Laurent signed Paris. And down here as well, and also the zipper tab. It's a nice flexible bag. And inside it has the serial number. I don't own a authentic Saint Laurent bag, so there is the information inside. And here is the authenticity stuff, which I don't know. Not too interested in that. Here's the stuff for making it nice and dry through its journey here. So it just has one big pocket there, and another pocket here, another zip pocket there. It's a really great size. It's not too big. I was afraid it's gonna be too big, but it's not. So here's the side. Oh my god, this is gonna match my Roger Vivier boots, which is why I purchased a couple beige bags. Wow, another little compartment here. This thing is very versatile. You can hold a lot of things, and it's a magnetic closure. As you can see, it's really good closure. So let's take this off. Nice. This is looking very good. So behind it is leather, and then the external part is suede. And let's look at that chain. I forgot to show that there is Saint Laurent. That. It's a beautiful bag. The gold is so gorgeous, and this chain is heavy. Interesting. It's a heavy chain, like, I'm not gonna lie. And there it is. It's a really pretty Saint Laurent bag. It's really, it's shaped well, and this is heavy. Like, this chain is really, really heavy and sturdy and really pretty. And it's not like yellow. I don't like super yellow gold. It's a nice like brassy toned color, gold. It's not overly shiny, which this bag won't look good with a real shiny bag. I mean, shiny chain, sorry. So, let's see if this matches. They pretty much match, folks. That's the reason why I bought this bag. Mainly, I was looking for a good Saint Laurent bag that I would like. It's really, I don't know, I'm different. So I like things that are not like the norm. Although there are things I like that are everyone's getting, but I like this because I say no, not everyone's getting them, but they're like sold out everywhere. Beautiful. Okay, here is this beautiful Saint Laurent Niki bag, and it's really, really beautiful. It's comfortable. Sorry about my puffy sleeves, but as you can see, you can easily wear her as a shoulder bag. I'm 5'4", people, so just give you an idea. And if I haven't done crossbody yet, what I like about this is it's pretty interesting. It has like this, so it like keeps it sturdy so it doesn't flop too much, because it is a floppy bag, but it gives it like a foundation. So if you do want to wear a crossbody, it takes a minute for you to pull everything through. So as that moment, so it goes like this through the head, that, right? So you want to wear a crossbody, you can. Oh my God, it hits me here. This is where my hip is. My waist is higher, but that's how it looks. And it matches my Roger Vivier suede boots, and I am so happy they do. And well, my peekaboo bag, my Fendi peekaboo bag matches it too, but this is suede, they're both suede, so I do want like a kind of matchy moment. I know that's old school, but whatever. I like old school, I like retro, I like Victorian. That is just my style. Anyway, this is this bag. I know I dropped the shoes. Now I can show you what could fit. Let me just show you. I have been using the heck out of this Gucci bag, so I'm going to just take out the stuff that sorry, my husband's loud if you can hear him. This is my makeup bag. I have like everything in here, from eye drops to antibacterial gel to lip, my lippy, and my Too Faced mirror, my Pat McGrath lipstick, some cords, whatever. So you get the gist of it. Ooh. So there it is. She will fit perfectly in this bag. Like, there's so much room in this bag. Fits. Next up is my Gucci wallet, Tesla keys, not keys, card, sorry. Well, the home stuff is in my cell phone, and this is gonna fit perfectly inside. Well, lots of room. And my iPhone 8. I have a Plus, but I'm using it for recording this video. So I could just put this in the front or the back. Still got a lot of room. And I do have this like antibacterial spray gel. Antibacterial spray, hand spray. This smells so good. Oh my God. I just love the smell of this. I got it at Bath & Body Works, and it smells so good. And this fits perfectly in this bag. This bag is amazing. What the heck? It's a floppy bag, guys. It's like that boho, look. It's very pretty, and I think that's all I have in this. And actually, this Gucci bag, I could fit so much in it too. I have masks. Masks will fit in here, but this is comfortable. And so far as a crossbody, I'm loving it. Love it.